Introduction to regular expressions. In this video, we are going to see about introduction to regular expressions. In theoretical computer science and formal language theory, a regular expression that is sometimes called a rational expression is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern mainly for used in pattern matching with strings or string matching, that is find and replace like operations. A regular expression can be recursively defined as follows. Epsilon is a regular expression indicates the language containing an empty string. L of epsilon is equal to epsilon. Phi is a regular expression denoting an empty language. L of phi is equal to null. If x is a regular expression denoting the language L of x and y is a regular expression denoting the language L of y, then x plus y is a regular expression corresponding to the language L of x union L of y, where L of x plus y is equal to L of x union L of y. X into y is a regular expression corresponding to the language L of x into L of y, where L of x into y is equal to L of x into L of y. Regular expressions. Regular set 0 plus 1 0 star L is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, goes on. 0 star 1 0 star L is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and goes on. 0 plus epsilon into 1 plus epsilon L is equal to epsilon 0, 1, 0, 1. A plus B the whole star. Set of strings of A's and B's of any length including the null string. So L is equal to epsilon 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and goes on. A plus B the whole star ABB. Set of strings of A's and B's ending with the string ABB. So L is equal to ABB, AABB, BABB, AAABB, ABABB, and goes on. 1 whole star. Set consisting of even numbers of ones including empty string. So L is equal to epsilon, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and goes on. A whole star, B whole star, B. Set of strings consisting of even numbers of A's followed by odd number of B's. So L is equal to B, AAB, AA, BBB, AA, BB, BBB, AA, AAB, AA, BBB, and goes on. AA plus AB plus BA plus BB whole star. String of A's and B's of even length can be obtained by concatenating any combination of the strings AA, AB, BA and BB including null. So L is equal to AA, AB, BA, BB, AAAB, AABA, and goes on.